Giant Fingerboarding here. Today I have the Tony Hawk Electric Hexbug Skateboard. Okay, so this is the giant box. I'm pretty sure it's not that big, but I'm gonna cut it now. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. It comes with the deck and the wheels and the power thingy that makes it move, I guess. First of all, I thought to myself that it would probably be like a cheapy toy, but yeah, I'm just gonna try it out now. I got this at Target for about $40 on Target.com because I was too lazy to go to the store. Oh, before I do that, you can see the back. The back, you have all the stuff that it comes with. These are all the decks that it comes with, and yeah, I guess there's turbo boost, whatever thingy. Okay. So when I first open it, it comes with these side thingamaboos. Okay guys, so this is what it comes with. It comes with 2 drop-ins, 6 of these side rail thingies, the actual deck and the power tool and screw whatever, whatnot, and 2 half pipes. Or quarter pipes. I make quarter pipes, okay.
People are gonna go like crazy in the comments.
It also comes with these connectors that connect all of the ramps and stuff. So I'm gonna put all this together with the help of my friend Finger Artistic.
Hi.
And that guy. Okay guys, so this is it. I put it together. It broke a few times and it broke again right now. Oh wait, never mind, it didn't break. Okay, so I am going to do this. I made a little track here, up the spine ramp and down. Ready, set. It's not working again. What's up guys, I just put it together and this is the little track that I made, skate park. Yeah, so I'm gonna start. It's gonna go up here and around. Ready? Go. Oh, this thing sucks. Yep, I got this. Yeah. This bug ruined kids' lives. Woo! Oh. How did that even happen? Oh, yeah. So it's kind of fun and challenging, obviously.
Okay, now Finger Artistic's gonna try.
I'm just kidding. Oh shoot. Oh.
Okay, I guess you're right. It is fun. Oh yeah.
Ooh, going the wrong way. I like that.
Yeah, rebel. Oh yeah!
Ooh!
Casanova
I didn't even get
ball.
that on the camera.
Mm.
Ooh, turn around. Where are you going?
Oh, shoot,
Hey guys, I hope you like that review. The Hexbug thing isn't that great. I mean, the ramps are, but I mean, if you're like a little kid, I mean, you have to be kind of skilled. But you'll get the hang of it. It costs $40, and yeah, I would rate it about like 5-star. I mean, not 5-star, like 3-star, 3-star. And skill rating, you have to be about like, out of 10, you have to be like a 10. And yeah. Thank you, Hexbug, for creating child labor. See you next time.
Rate it with stars, rate it.